All right, cool. So I'm on Lightning Link. The major's really big right now. It's one of the reasons why I picked it, and I've never played this. I think it's like, oh yeah, Wild Chuco. I've never played it before. We're looking for 6 of the orbs to get us into the bonus, and then I believe 3 of these, but we'll see what's going on. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do 5. 5 sounds good. Very cool. We already got a nice little line hit there. So yeah, these are wilds. So 20 bucks already. We're gonna cash that out. All right, just keep it going. Oh, 3 more. Okay, we got some big numbers up there, so it's $55 on the board. Alright, nice little hit there. There's something. Money's money. Okay. Come on, 3 more. There's $100 ball right there. Nice. Come on, man. Okay. And I think that is it. We're gonna cash that out. See where we're at here. And okay, I got 10 bucks left in there. So yeah, let's play that out. Let's do another hit. Check it out. Yeah, 4 more. Alright, that's it. Alright, I'm gonna go to a different machine. So yeah, we got something out of nothing. We'll take it. And yeah, that's it.